Good afternoon. Today we are going to find the pressure drop between two tappings, 2 points for a given pipe. So we can choose whatever given to you, you can choose from here. Okay. So it is written, it is asked to you, choose the TQ fluid friction apparatus. And it is asked, so choose what is given to you, a rough pipe. See here, rough pipe, diameter is 17. Rough pipe diameter is 17, but actual diameter, effective diameter is 14. The tappings are 30 and 31. So look at here, where is the tapping? So this is tapping 30, this is 31. So I need to choose this. Sometimes, now see, I will show you the how water flows. So there is a switch, on-off switch. Start the pump from here. The water will come from this pipe, the transparent pipe. The water will come. So water will come this through this pipe, and there are 3 diversions, 1, 2, 3. So water will come here. Now see, if I close this 2, so means these 2 are blocked. See the color, blue. So if I close this diode block. If I close this wall, this will be blocked. So water will come from here. So water will come here. Now it is asked to you, choose this 30 and 31 tapping. If it is asked 32 and 33. Okay, so I need to remove this. So you have to take the mug. You have to take this and keep it here. Some water will fall down. See, air is going inside. We have to remove that air also. Now you can connect here or here or here. Okay, so water will flow to a given pipe. So I will connect this. Make sure there is a O-ring. So keep it close. Now because 30 and 31 tapping is given to you, so I will close it. Maybe next time I will try to join this by a worm. So if you want to operate this pipe, open this and close all like this experiment. Okay, so I will connect this by a pipe. So water will come here now. It will come here. So this is the outlet. If we choose 32, 33, you have to move this from here. You have to move the outlet also. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4 outlet, 1, 2, 3, 4 inlet. So what is given to you? 30 and 31. So I will reconnect it here. Okay, now water will come like this, and from here I can control the flow rate. Less. For 4 readings I will control from here, and the water will go to the tank, and again it will be pumped back. So this wall should be closed. Okay, now. So connection is made now. Now how to connect the tappings? So these tappings, press this and take it out. So you can press this and you can take it out. You can take it here. See here you can, and just insert it. Okay. Also press this and take it out. Okay, and make this now. Now see, these 2 tappings are connected to this piezometer. These tappings are connected to this piezometer. So we are interested in this only, not to this. Okay. Now this same here also how to remove, but no need to remove from here. So now your machine is ready to do experiment now. So first step, make sure all the wands are closed. Start the pump. Okay, pump is started. Now make this wall open, fully open. So water is coming from this. Okay. So now we need to remove the ear. See here, there is a ear. Okay, so we need to remove this ear. So We are not working on that. I will keep this here. So we are not working on that. Keep it down now. Okay, now here only. So we need to remove this ear. So how to remove the ear? It is important. Little close it to get more pressure inside, because less water is coming means more pressure. So little close it. Take this mark and press this and take it out. So let the water go, and you can see here, see water is coming now. It will remove all the air. It will remove all the air. So meanwhile I can do like this here, so that get more pressure, and due to the pressure air will come out. See the air is coming. Okay, so sometimes also by nail, you know, tire, your car tire,
Yes.
the how to fill the air. So it is like the same. So here, see, so air maybe come out from here. Mostly air will come from here, so it will be completely filled. Okay, you can see now if there is a air or not. Now if I close this, see, no water is flowing. You can see there. Yeah, I close here. Now I open here. I close here. Open here. So there is no water going out. So now I will insert this back again to here. Okay. Maybe now there is no air, but I will try here also again. So take it and take it out, and you can see the flow is reverse now. If there is some air, it will go again. Yeah, see, some air is there. You can see it will go out again. If I close it, this air will move very fastly. Almost gone now. So here also I will check it. It will come up. Yeah, there is no air now. Now I will close it. Okay. After that, keep this, or I will drop this water back. Okay. And remember, you need to close this completely. So this is isolated system now. Immediately off. Okay. After that, take some stick or something and remove the ear here. See now, both water will come down. So let the water drop up to 200 or 300. See. So I am introducing this ear inside. Yes, it is not necessarily approximate, near about
200 to 300.
200 or 300 in between. So this level is same now at 290. Okay, now your machine is ready to take the reading. Okay, again same procedure. Start the pump. Okay, you can see the pressure level is same. Now I will open it fully. problem with pump. It was not pumping water. Now you can see the pressure drop there. You can see now height is 480, 490 and 660. So H1 is highest H1, H2 is lowest one. Okay. Now as I told you, our observation table is consist of serial number 1, volume I can collect 10 liter into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube as usual. Measure the time. Now in previous experiment we study mercury manometer. Now here water manometer. Water manometer readings H1, H2 and this is directly HW is equal to H1 minus H2. So this is millimeter. I can directly write difference millimeter and no need to multiply anything. HW in meter. Okay, so because there is no mercury. So H1 measure time, write H1, H2, take the difference and H1 you can do the calculation what is asked. Okay, now second reading. So can you tell me the first H1, H2? Yes.
660
660
and 480.
480. 480. Sorry. 66
66.
660 and 480. Okay. Now we'll measure the time. So anybody have mobile?
Yes.
Now see here. This will give you
Together?
so come near here. Come here. Okay. Now this pipe you need to keep inside this hole. So it will be closed. Okay, like there was a wall.
Yes.
Now here it is a pipe. Okay. So water level will be increased here.
Yes.
So here you can see in the tube the water level. Now here it is come, we can start
Okay.
up to 15 and we can write 15. Or you can start at 5 and wait for 15. So this is 10 liter. Okay.
Important.
Yeah, important is 10. Now we'll start from 5.
5.
Yes. Or you can start from 0 also, 0 to 5 you can record and 5 to 15 also you can record. If you have a mistake, you can write there.
0 to 5 is just 5.
Yeah, no problem. We can write for 5 liter only. Okay. Now, ready? Start. Stop and immediately open this pipe. Okay, take this pipe out. Okay, so what is the time now? 30.43. Okay, second. Now next reading,
Same.
same way. Look at there and close this wall. See here, Shabab. Look at there and close this wall little. So there is some deflection there. You can see now. Yes, I close little. Okay.
Okay.
So record H1, H2 and time. Okay. So repeat these steps for 4 or 5 readings.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Now measure the time and measure the H1, H2.
Now?
Yeah.